Welcome to this introduction to the Calvarian Runbook Suite. The Runbook Suite contains a number of products all working together to provide an end-to-end solution. So those products are the Runbook Studio, the Calvarian Automation Portal, Smart Integration Modules, and our end-to-end solutions. In a moment we're going to take a look at some of those products and the solution for deploying Office 365 users. We're going to start by taking a look at the Automation Portal. We can see our service request here for creating an Office 365 user. It's very simple, it just prompts for some very basic details. It's very easy to extend this. So I'm submitting the request. I'm just going to confirm the details there. Within the request page now we can see the request that's been created and the state of that request. If we go into the requests panel, as I'm going to do in a moment, we can see our existing requests, any completed requests or anything that requires approval. So now we're going to take a look at the Runbook Studio. We can see our Azure Automation Runbook. Our orange activities here are going to process the details from the database. The purple activities down the bottom are the Microsoft Office Online activities. They're going to create the user and set the license. Once we get to the green activity at the end, that's to trigger the state is completed successfully, and we're going to update the portal. And we can see that we've got a common error handler within our graphical runbooks. We've also got some logging activities which are highlighted there in grey, so I'm going to test the runbook. Just need to upload it to my Azure account. Within the tester we can execute on the Azure platform, or we can use a hybrid worker, and I'm going to use Azure here. So I'm going to start that runbook and we can see it's in a submitted state. Just going to snap those screens to the side so we can see them both side by side. So we can just see the runbook's updated to being in a running state now. And back in the automation portal I'm going to open the request and I'm going to refresh that, as we can see some activities taking place within Azure Automation. So our state is updated to in progress and the runbook owner has been updated. After a moment or two, I'm just going to keep hitting the refresh button. We can see that that is now completed and we've got feedback to the user. I can see just the mask data that contained the password, and if we switch to the Office 365 admin portal we can see our user has been created and it's had a license assigned to it. Thank you very much for watching this introduction to the Calvarian Runbook Suite. If you've got questions about this or any of our other products, please visit www.calvarian.com.